Hi guys. So yeah, I know I'm just getting ready to get in the shower, but I wanted to quickly take a before of my hair because I'm going to be toning it. It's been, I mean, you can see from the regrowth from when I originally turned my hair from very dark to blonde. It's been, I think it's been a couple of months actually now, about 8 or 9 weeks. And I've started to get some red back in. It's kind of, yeah, I think it needs to be done. So I just wanted to do a bit of a before. I mean, it is like a bush right now, so just ignore that. But so that's what I'm going to be doing. So I will be taking you along, and yeah, let's see how it turns out this time. So this is the kit that I'm going to be using to tone my hair. It's the Champagne Super Toner, and that's the Bleach London. It's the same brand that I used when I actually did bleach my hair for the first time and went really from very, very dark to this colour now. I think it's just going to be good to kind of just give it a bit of a zhuzh, a little bit of, you know, a bit of a boost. It feels and looks quite dull, I think. So in the box you get the colorant, the developer lotion that you mix together. You get a reincarnation mask, which is this, which I remember last time being really, really good and making my hair feel really good. Obviously some gloves and the little instruction leaflet. So I'm just mixing it all up. I actually bought this when I got all of when I was doing my bleach. You know, whenever I do something, I like to feel like a hairdresser, and actually this is really good. It's like the little bamboo dish, and it's so much better in a bowl trying to put it on rather than from the bottle. Not that you can do it, you need to have this really, you need something to mix it in. Okay, so I've just mixed it all together, and I'm gonna just go for it. I've sectioned off the hair. As I say, I just want to avoid that root area because I honestly don't know what that would do to it. And I'm not really wanting to find out. So let's see. Using the brush, just because I find it easier. I can be a little bit more precise. In there just to make sure that it's all covered once I've kind of done a bit more of a precision going over. Okay, that is it covered, and my top and my face, so I need to go and get that off as soon as I can. However, now I just leave it to wait leave it to wait, leave the mixture on for 10 to 25 minutes, depending on the depth of colour you want, then wash out immediately. And then obviously you put the mask on for 5 minutes. So I'm gonna leave it, I think probably about 15 minutes. I will probably just check it and see what it's looking like. I used all of the mixture up. I think I would have needed 2 if I was going right into the root, but 1 seemed to be okay for this time. I'm just a bit worried about that root going orange, I'm not gonna lie. But we'll see. Hopefully it'll be okay. But I will check in once I've dried it and styled it so that you can see the difference. I have to say, I do love the texture of this stuff. It's really easy to put on. It's not too watery, it's not too thick. It was very quick actually for me to put it on. So yeah, okay, I'm gonna leave it now because otherwise I'll just carry on. Okay, I'll check in and show you the end result. So it's a bit later and it's all done. I've styled it and I'm really, really happy with the colour again. I have to say that is one, well, for me, it's definitely worked as a toner since doing my hair from brown to blonde. So yeah, I'm really happy with it. Luckily the roots didn't go orange as I expected them to, albeit I'm gonna have to start tackling the roots soon. I need to do a bit more research on that. So if you've got any tips on what I should do and how I do it, then let me know, because yeah, I've got like grey where you can see the natural colour and there's kind of grey and it's kind of light brown and it does go lighter in the summer. So yeah, that's the colour that it comes to. So it gives it a little bit of a lift, which is great. If you haven't already, then obviously like and subscribe if you want to, of course. And I will see you again with another video. See ya.